So today I will discuss increasing function. So increasing function is very important for JEE as well as PUC exam. So what it means of increasing function? Increasing function means when x increases, y increases. So here this x2 is greater than x1. X2 means this distance and x1 means this distance. So when x2 is greater than x1 means the value of the function at x2 will be greater than value of the function at x1. So that means it is increasing function. So what is increasing means when x increases correspondingly y should increase. So this is the increasing function. So here suppose here so here is this is x axis, this is y axis. Suppose this is x1, this is x2 and this is x3. So here x1 is the x coordinate. So here at x1 what is the function value? Suppose we have function y equal to fx. So at x1 what is the value of function here? Fx1. So this will be fx1. So what is the value of function at x2? It will be fx2. So here will be fx2. So what is the value of function at x3? fx3. So here will be fx3. So here x3 is greater than x2 greater than x1. So corresponding value when x increases correspondingly y should increase. So correspondingly fx3 will be greater than fx2 greater than fx1. So that means x increases, y increases. X increases, correspondingly y coordinate increases. So that is increasing function. So x increases, y increases. So that will be the increasing function. So for increasing function, what is the condition for increasing function? Suppose you have y equal to fx a function. If fx is strictly increasing function, that means f dash should be greater than 0. So what is the condition for strictly increasing? F dash x should be greater than 0. And for increasing function, and for only increasing, not strictly increasing, for increasing, f dash x should be greater than equal to 0. So what is the difference between strictly increasing and increasing function? So for strictly increasing, always it will be at any point it will be always increases. But for increasing function, f dash x greater than equal to 0. For some example we discuss. Suppose you have fx equal to x cube plus 2. So what is the f dash x? F dash x will be 3x square plus 0 differentiation. So it will be 3x square. We know that. And 3x square will be always greater than equal to 0 for all real x. So what you can say that? So that means our f dash x is greater than 0. That means fx is not strictly increasing. It will be increasing. So fx is increasing function. Increasing function. Now suppose for strictly increasing, suppose you have fx equal to we have x cube plus 2x. So what is the differentiation of fx, f dash x? So it will be 3x square plus 2, and that will be always greater than equal to 2. Why? Because x square will be, because we know that, why? Because we know that x square will be always greater than equal to 0 for all real x. So that means this will be greater than 2, and we know that 2 is the positive number. So f dash x will be greater than 0, not 0. So that means fx is a strictly increasing function. Fx is a strictly increasing function. So by graph also we can show that. So by graph also we can say that, suppose you have x-axis, y-axis here. So that means, suppose you have this one. This graph is always increasing, and x for this one, what is the this? Suppose this is x1 value here. Suppose you have x1 value here, and here we have x2 value, and here we have x3 value. So here x1 is less than, x2 is less than x3. That means fx1 will be less than fx2 less than fx3. That means this x1 is distance from here, so this is smaller than distance from here. So I told you, when x increases, y increases. That means it is the increasing function. So at x1, what is the value? This length will be the value. Here at x2, this length will be. Here at x3, this length. So this length is greater than this length, and this length is greater than this length. Why? Because this is negative. So in negative mode means it is less. So that means fx1 is less than fx2 less than fx3. So it is increasing function. So what is the means of increasing function? When x increases, y increases. So that is the increasing function. And what is the condition for increasing function? F dash x should be greater than 0 for strictly increasing, and for generally increasing, f dash x greater than equal to 0. So thank you. That is the chapter.